Here we have a 2014 4-4 in Royal Ivory with tan interior, mesh grille overriders, paint protective film, round door mirrors, Union Jack badges, Allen white neck rolls, had to put a plug in, sun visors, luggage rack with side screen storage, beautiful stainless steel wire wheels, elasticated door pockets, some rubber over mats, Moto-lita steering wheel. Wheel does match the dashboard very nicely. Only done 4,900 miles, previously sold by us. Sidescreen bag. Paintwork is basically spotless. I haven't found anything when I've gone round the car to notice any chips or anything on it, to be honest. Ivory and tan, very classic combination that works extremely well. It's 1.6 Sigma with the MX5 gearbox at that age. Serviced and given 12 months MOT before it goes out to its new owner, and you get a normal warranty. Available for Allen White Sports Cars. Thank you for watching.